Oh, fish on already. Little white bass. First fish of the morning. Probably like my third cast underneath this bridge. Got a little white bass. Throwing plastics. Usually where there's one, there's about 20 others. Okay, right there. Right there. These things are freaking feisty. Dude, he smoked it right in front of me. Smoked it right in front of me. That was dope. That was dope. Dude, these fish are freaking savages, dude. There's a fish. They're all pretty, they're all staying pretty same in size. Oop. I think that's number 4 for the day. The whole objective for today was to do some catfishing. Now that I made it to my spot, a lot of trees, a lot of deep pools. So I think this is where I'm gonna set up my first pole. Going old school. We've got some night crawlers. A couple lead egg sinkers. And I think it's like a size 4 circle hook. So if you guys remember from my river fishing video a couple weeks ago, this is what I was using. I caught, what'd I catch? Carp, drum, white bass, and the rest of the guys were catching catfish. So you can catch basically anything on a night crawler. Let's see what happens. All right, so the rods are deployed. I got one right here, right in front of this big old brush pile. And I got another one probably 20 yards down from here, kind of fishing that central channel. In the meantime, I got my fly rod to kind of pick apart all this, all these little deep pockets with the minnow clouser, see what I can hook into. There we go. Little bugger. Oh, it's a largie. That's pretty crazy. I rarely catch largies out of this little creek. Smallest one too. Now if I can get a smallmouth bass, that will be the bass trifecta. Ooh, dude, nice one. Nice white bass. He crunched it too. Oh no. Dude, wrap me around this log. I don't know if you can see this log right here. Go straight down, wrap me around it and broke me off. Dude, oh my gosh, that was a nice white bass too. Son of a biscuit. That's what kind of sucks fishing all these submerged logs and stuff. Those fish just take you under and snap you clean off. Let's do a little pink action. Well, now that's 2 fish with minnow clousers dangling in their mouth. If you catch that, so if you catch any of those fish and the clousers still in there, I'll give you $50. Straight up, dude. It's like a leg band on honkers and ducks. Here we go. Come on. Get him out of that tree. Oh yeah, baby. Probably the biggest white bass of the day. Crunch that pink clouser. Man, this went from Operation Catfish to Operation White Bass. There we go. There's the fish. Man, he's swimming. Ooh, dude, that's a nice one too. Oh, damn. That's a chunk right there, dude. That's probably the biggest one of the day too. He's got some shoulders on him. Beautiful looking fish though. Freaking fight hard. Wasn't on the fly, but still caught him. Still fun. Let's see if I can pull another one out of here. Yep, there he is. Oh, came out. Damn it. Like I was saying earlier, if you find one, there's usually a lot more in there. There we go. That right there, folks, is some good old-fashioned fun. There's one. Oh, that's a big one, dude. Oh, dude, that's a big one. Dynamite, dude. They're all averaging about this size. Good eaters. I'm letting them go today, though. Torqued it. Torqued it. Oh yeah, baby. All right, I'm pretty sure I've outfished this hole. Bite has slowed down quite a bit. I think I want to back up out of here, pack up my fly rod since I'm so low on tippet. It's not even worth throwing. I'm bringing my cat rod, which from the looks of it has not been touched. There we go. Oh, dude, airborne. No way. Freaking smallmouth, baby. Freaking smallmouth. Got the bass trifecta. Yes. Dude, so stoked. Got the bass trifecta. Oh, bass trifecta. White bass, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass. Caught 2 out of 3 on a fly. Oh man, I've never been so stoked to catch such a small smallie. Oh, bud. There he is. There he is. Ah, oh, it's not him though. It's not him. Right species, wrong size. I know there's got to be one probably about 6 times your size somewhere in here. It's got to find her. Damn. That's another beautiful smallie, man. Little footballs. Ooh, airborne. Airborne. Oh, dude. On the hot pink. Shit. Dude, he freaking broke me off. Oh, dude, that bastard. He wanted that hot pink too. Of course, this white one swims like a freaking idiot. Easy enough. Man, I love fishing smallies because it reminds me of fishing trout up in Wisconsin. It's like these small streams are easy to wade, nice current, nice and cool, kind of secluded. And you find deep pools, you're always going to find a smallie in there. And it's basically, I'm using the same setup too, the same gear. Spinners, my 6.6 spinning rod, light line. It's a blast. I don't know if you guys can see this, like right here. It's a tree, and it looks like it's melted over. It's all like bent down and stuff. A little sketched out by that, but the fishing's good, so it's all well. Still kind of walking upstream. Water's super shallow, it's like ankle deep. Probably gonna walk up here to where that sand flat is, maybe another 50, 60 yards ahead of me. I'm gonna walk back downstream and kind of fish my way back to where I parked. And I might hit another part of the stream. I'll just see how this goes. That's a nice one. Oh! Broke me off, dude. Son of a lover's mother. Decent one. Decent one. Unhooked himself. There he is. Whoa, dude. That's not a smallie. Dude, that's a freaking... Is that a quillback? Bro. I'm almost 100% certain that this right here is a quillback sucker. Look at that thing, dude. I've never caught one of these. Dude, mark another species off my list. That is sick. Let's put him back. That was badass, dude. Oh. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. There you go. That was a good fish to end the trip on. I've had enough fun for the day. It's high noon. It's hot. I'm thirsty. I'm hungry. So I think we're gonna end the video here. I was kind of just going out scouting. I was not expecting much, but the waters are super low. So I got to walk this creek to places where I've never been before, because usually when I fish it, the water's pretty high and the water's like probably shoulder deep. So I got to explore some new waters, found some new holes. I landed probably pushing 40 fish, no lie. Didn't have to go up and rolling on a lot of them just because they were all the same size, but I broke off on a couple good ones. I burned through like 6 lures just because once they go airborne and they give you those head shakes, they just come right off. This is why I love creek fishing. You never know what you're gonna catch. You're constantly on the move, fishing new waters. It feels good to wade this water. I'm gonna look at all the bait fish right here. That's sick.